If you love natural remedies and castor oil, you need to know about Barbara O'Neill. Her book, Sustain Me, completely changed how I use simple kitchen ingredients to actually get better results at home. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where true wellness begins at home. In today's video, I'm sharing my honest review of Barbara O'Neill's book and why it's become a core part of how I approach natural healing, from castor oil to everyday lifestyle habits. I'll share what the book is about, my biggest aha moments, and how you can use her principles in your own home. Barbara O'Neill is a natural health educator who teaches how the body is designed to heal itself when we support it properly. What I love is that she focuses on things any family can start with: simple lifestyle changes, natural remedies using everyday ingredients, explaining health in plain language. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by complicated protocols, this book is the opposite of that. The main theme of the book is that the body works best when we respect a few basic health laws, things like good nutrition, pure water, fresh air and sunlight, rest, and proper sleep, movement, and circulation. She shows how these simple things actually increase the effectiveness of the natural remedies we use, including those castor oil packs and kitchen remedies we love on this channel. It's less about chasing magic cures and more about building a lifestyle where your body can do what it was designed to do: heal and restore. A few things that really stood out to me. 1. The basics matter more than we think. Before this book, I focused a lot on the remedy itself. Now I think, am I drinking enough water? Am I getting sunlight? Am I sleeping properly? Because those things make every remedy work better. 2. You can start with what you already have. You don't need fancy supplements. Your kitchen, your daily habits, and a few simple ingredients can already take you very far. 3. Understanding the why gives confidence. Instead of guessing, I now understand why certain remedies help, and that makes me much more confident using natural options at home. Since applying what I learned from Barbara O'Neill, I'm more intentional with water, sleep, and fresh air. I see castor oil and other remedies as part of a bigger lifestyle picture. Our home feels more like a place of healing, not just a place to rush through. If you'd like a deeper look at the book, I've written a full review on my blog with my favorite takeaways and a link to where you can get it. You'll find that blog post linked in the description below. And if you enjoy natural remedies, castor oil tips, and simple wellness ideas, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. There's more Barbara O'Neill inspired content coming soon.